In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Outlook calendar effectively and efficiently, ensuring you stay organized and connected with your colleagues, friends, or family members. Sharing your calendar can be a great way to manage appointments, meetings, and events without the hassle of back and forth communications. Whether you're at work or managing personal commitments, having the ability to share your calendar can be incredibly beneficial. Let's start by navigating to the calendar section in Outlook. To do this, open your Outlook application and look at the panel on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see various icons or options like Mail, People, Tasks, and of course, Calendar. Click on the Calendar option. This will bring up your calendar, displaying any appointments or events you've scheduled. Once you're inside the calendar view, it's time to share it. At the top of this screen, you should see a menu with several choices. Among these options is Share Calendar, which might appear as an icon or a text button, depending on your Outlook version. Click on Share Calendar to continue. This click will initiate a sharing window that provides you with the opportunity to include individuals with whom you'd like to share your calendar. Typically, this window will have a field or box where you can input email addresses. Here, you can enter the email address of the person or people with whom you want to share your calendar. Take note that you can share your calendar with multiple recipients by entering several email addresses, separated by commas. Customization is also a key part of this process. You'll notice options where you can set specific permissions. These permissions typically include allowing others only to view your free and busy times, allowing them to see full event details, or giving them the ability to make changes to your events. Choose the permission level that best suits your needs. Perhaps you only want your colleagues to see when you're available for meetings, or maybe you wish to provide a family member full access to manage events. Whatever your preference, be sure you select the corresponding option. Once you've inputted the email addresses and set the permissions to your liking, you're ready to send your calendar invitation. Look for a send button, typically located at the bottom of the dialog box or window you're working within. Click that button to send your sharing invitation. The recipients will receive an email notification that includes instructions on how they can view and access your calendar. Sharing your Outlook calendar is a simple yet powerful way to communicate with colleagues or loved ones. It helps streamline coordination and improves productivity, ensuring everyone is on the same page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on how to maximize your use of Outlook and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching.